The Chief Judge of Nigeria, Justice Olukayode Ariwoola, has called for the training of judicial officers to enable them effectively handle cases of road safety victims. Ariwoola made the call in Abuja at a media briefing organized by the 11th edition of Kwabda's Rangnan Samsung Dongban Foundation Annual Road Safety Conference.
My concern primarily will be the training of judicial officers on the issue pertaining to road safety cases, particularly from the lowest level of the judiciary, magistracy, and the trial high courts. There is need to train judicial officers primarily on how to handle cases of road safety. With the road safety, with this foundation, in collaboration and of course in synergy with the National Judicial Institute, this training will be organized and judicial officers at various levels will be properly trained. You can imagine, as remarked by the founder, only one case is reported on the support to victim of accident on our roads.
The CJN also underscored the need for support to victims of road safety cases and their immediate dependents.
To bear in mind the effect of road safety cases on victims and of course on the extensive family and dependents, I will plead with the generality of the public to be up and doing in providing assistance to victims of road accidents. Many a times, if immediate attention, immediate care is provided, many victims of this road safety accident may not pass on, may not die. So, I plead with us all to be our brothers' keepers. Of course, many people have said that an attempt to wait to assist a victim of a road accident may get one into trouble. Yet, I believe when we do it in service of our Creator.
Justice Monica Dongban Mensem, founder of KRSD and president of the Court of Appeal, said the foundation was established to reduce the forecast level of road traffic fatalities in the country. Dongban Mensem said that the foundation was accredited by the United Nations to participate in the high-level meeting on global road safety in the UN headquarters held from June 30 to July 1, 2022.
The launch of the second decade of action for road safety 2021 to 2030, on which the newly adopted political declaration is based, sets an ambitious target of preventing at least 50% of road traffic deaths and injuries by 2030. The objectives of this year's conference, that is KRS's conference, is to create awareness on the content of the 2022 political declaration on improving road safety among the general public in Nigeria. KRS is calling the attention of all road safety stakeholders to the document and the need to form a synergy to implement the contents of the document with a view to tackling this menace that has claimed many innocent lives on the roads, especially in Africa, and left many in dismay. A study shows that in Africa, the socioeconomic impact of road crashes and related injuries are not only harming the continent's development, but also affects the livelihood of countless African families, especially in Nigeria, which is Nigeria's most populous black nation. It is estimated that in Nigeria, more than 6,000 people die annually from road traffic crashes, and many sustain injuries. Of course, several are not recorded. According to the statistics provided by the Nigerian Bureau of Statistics, NBS, and the Federal Road Safety Commission, FRSC, every 4 hours, no fewer than 2 people die on Nigerian roads.
Mr. Osita Chidoka, a former road safety corps marshal, harped on the need for citizens to view road safety as the responsibility of everyone.
We have this personal commitment. Those of us in the road safety community must hold this commitment with 2 hands. It is a commitment that has the potentials of unlocking the potentials of road safety in Nigeria, of making our roads safer. So at my time at the Federal Road Safety, we fought vehemently, leading us to form the West African Road Safety Organization and the African Union Road Safety Organization. So I also urge KRSD and other NGOs involved in the road safety sector to come together and make the African case. In the Western world, the issue of road safety is slightly different from what we have here in Nigeria. In Nigeria, there are still many building blocks of making our roads safe that we need to conquer before we get to their own level where they are discussing their own issues. So I've been a major advocate in global forums to say Africa has a peculiar case and there is need to listen to that case. And so far, I wasn't very successful, but we created our own African platform. And I will believe that this should help in moving it forward.